Welcome to Seth Vidya Mandir Junior College of Commerce and Science online audio video lecture. Welcome back students. I Miss Alka Chaube taking physics class 12th explaining chapter 4 that is thermodynamics. So let's understand students the internal energy, heat and work function in thermodynamics. So let's first understand what does it mean by internal energy in a system. So let's understand students first what is internal energy. So first we have to understand the internal energy definition. The internal energy defined as the energy associated with random disordered motion of the molecule of a system. What does it mean? Let's understand with the help of example students. So here in this case you can see the internal energy only take place when the random motion disorder of the molecule of the system is happens. So how the random motion disorder of the molecule of the system is happens? So let's here understand with the help of example. So here I consider a system. We can consider large or small system. Large system means the number of molecules has been greater, and when we consider the smaller system, it means the number of molecules will be smaller. It is very clear in chemistry students, and also it is very clear in physics. So here I consider any kind of system. In the system, we apply the heat on the system, and here you can see the arrangement of the molecules are present. And student, this is very clear about you. In chemistry also it is very fixed. The arrangement of the molecules are fixed as a common distance. And we apply the heat on this system. So what happens students? And this experiment you are doing at your home also when you're boiling the water and when you're boiling anything, this happens. We consider the example of water so you can understand. So what happens? The molecules of that system get vibrate because of heat. So when the vibration happens in the molecules of the given system, then students what happens? Let's consider a one molecule. So here I consider the one molecule, and as you know very well, this all molecules are your experience the heat. So this molecules, because of it, this molecule start to vibrate here because of that heat. And here you can see the vibration of molecules happens because of heat. So here the vibration of the molecules increases when heat energy is increases. Like example students, when you lower the flame of gas, then what happens? The boiling and the vibration of the water molecule is less. When you increase the flame of gas, then what happens? The vibration of the molecules of the water is increases. Same thing is happen here. When we increase the heat, it means when we increase the temperature of the given system, the vibration of the molecules are increases, and that time the parameter of the temperature is also changes. So it means students, what happens here? When we give the heat to the molecules, this heat is used by the molecules or system, and those system increase their energy because of heat. So let's understand how the system increase their energy because of heat. So here you can say this example. The example is continue here. Here the container will be same here, and the molecule arrangement are fixed. And as you know very well students, this system is experience your heat. Then what happens? When we give heat to the system, the molecule distance are fixed, but after when we increase the temperature of the system, then the force between the molecules is also increases. Why the force between the molecules is increases? Because the vibration of the molecule is increases. That's why students, the distance between the molecules are also increases, and the distance between the molecules are increases because of that the force between the molecules are increases because of heat. And this force of the molecules are increases, it gives the expansion of the system. Yes students, this happens in chemistry or physics. When we increase the heat of any system, the internal molecule arrangement has been changed because the force between that molecules are also changed, and this gives the expansion of the system. And this expansion of the system is nothing but the state of change of system. Yes students, this has happened, the state of change of system. Let's already I have considered the example of water. When we give more heat to that water, then what happens? The internal energy of that molecule has been changed, and after that after certain time, the state of the water molecules get changed and it is converted into vapor. This is happens, and this is what the case here I explained. And that time students, again I'm giving the example, solid become liquid, liquid become solid, liquid become gas. So here I consider the water molecule. So liquid is converted into gas, nothing but the water vapor. And this is happens when we give heat to any container, any substance. And here I already have explained, when we give the heat to any system, the molecules use that heat and their internal energy that converted into two parts, that is kinetic energy and potential energy. As you know very well students, the basic concept are very clear here. When we give the heat of the system, then what happens? The both things are happen here, but the both things are not happen together. These things are happen simultaneously. These things are happen at once time. Either the kinetic energy is applied when we are increasing the heat, and when we decrease the heat, that time the potential energy is increased. So here when we increase the heat energy, it means when we increase the temperature of the given system, the temperature of the given substance, then the kinetic energy of that system is increased here. So here you can see the kinetic energy of the internal energy of that system, how the increase. Let's understand. The kinetic energy of the system is increased, and it is indicated. How we understand how kinetic energy of system is increased? It is indicated by the temperature, and therefore the motion of the particle of vibration increases, and the degree of the hotness is also increases. Already I have explained, when we increase the temperature of the any system, the vibration of the molecule is increases. And when we give the more heat to that system, it means when we increase the surrounding heat of that system, it means the vibration of the molecules and the motion of that particles are changed and increases, and because of that the degree of the hotness of the system is also increases, and the parameter of the temperature is increases, and this is happens in the kinetic energy, in the internal energy of the system. Now let's move on the potential energy of system. So here we have the potential energy, and what happens in potential energy, let's understand. When potential energy of the system is increases, it's indicate system change of state, that is the increase the distance of the molecule. Yes students, when we are talking about the potential energy of the system, it means we are talking about the distance increases of the system. And this distance increases of the system is happens students when after incremented of the temperature, the expansion is happen. And when the expansion is happen, you know it very well students, what happens? The state of the system has been changed, and that time the state the liquid is converted into gas, or either the liquid converted into solid, solid to gas. This is happens. So this is happens after the kinetic energy. So when the potential energies take place, there is no case of kinetic energy. And after certain time, the distance of the molecules are increases, and that time the change of the state processes happen. When the change of the state of processes happen, that time we can consider in internal energy the case of potential energy. Yes students, so here you can remember how to understand the potential energies work in internal energy or kinetic energy. When the system state of system is changed, it means the potential energy is changed. It means the distance increases in molecules. Or when we are talking about the increase, indicate that by the temperature. When the temperature is indicated, and indicated by the temperature, the motion of the particle at the vibration of the particle is increases, so it indicates the kinetic energy of internal energy of the given system here. So after this students, we can discuss about the heat of the system.